Hi, my name's Tony and thank you so much for watching my channel. Today we are going to be making some yummy cocktails. So Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought this might be the perfect cocktail treat for that. Plus, not gonna lie, I just kind of felt like drinking tonight, so I thought I would try something new. And I figured I would share that with you. So since Valentine's is all about love and chocolates and sweetness, I figured the first cocktail we're going to be making is going to be something that kind of tastes like a candy bar. So if you drink anything sweet, this might be up your alley. So it's going to kind of taste like a Mounds. So if you like Mounds with coconut and chocolate, I'm going to be mixing up some Captain Morgan Loco Nut. The bottle is scratch and sniff, super awesome smell. So this is a Captain Morgan product. It is a creamy Captain Morgan infused with coconut cream base. So super great just by itself actually. So if you just want to drink it straight out the bottle, you can. But we are going to be mixing it actually with some chocolate Godiva liqueur. And I don't have any fancy shakers, and I figured a lot of people probably don't either. So we're going to be making this in just a regular cup. And so I'm going to be pouring in some Captain Morgan Loco Nut, and I probably should have opened this up before. So here we go. So I'm going to be doing more of the Loco Nut and then just a splash of the chocolate. So I guess if you would like say a Mounds, I would say probably 3/4 Loco Nut, and the other quarter would be a Godiva chocolate liqueur. And then I'm just mixing it over some ice. So if you can see that. And then I am going to pour it into this glass I have right here. I'm straining out the ice. And there you go. So this is just a small shot. I don't have shot glasses, so I've got it in a whiskey glass. But let's try it out. Very yummy. So it's definitely got that rum base. I can definitely taste it. So it kind of tones out the coconut a little bit with the chocolate. It's super good. If you want to be a little fancy, it's just me right now. And so, you know, creating this video as a reason to drink, part of my job, right? But if you want to be a little fancy, you can always put a little chocolate syrup in your glass. If you're not into quite the as sweet, one more sip. You can mix the Loco Nut quite a few other ways. Other than having it straight, you can do a little coconut water if you want to hydrate a little. It's really good. Some pineapple juice. Or you can just spike it up with a little more Captain Morgan. So this is the original Captain Morgan. You can add the 100 proof to it. Or if you want to do a floater of the Myers Drum, that is also an option. So if you want to get your girls super excited and crazy, they like sweet, I would highly recommend this for Valentine's Day. Some girls are not into sweet. Some guys aren't into sweet. If you're not into quite as sweet, add some Captain Morgan in there. I would add probably half and half. Make it a nice strong drink for a really good night, right? So super delicious, really easy to make, and pretty affordable. So depending on where you are, under 20 bucks a bottle. This is a 750 size. It's a round size, so it's kind of hard to tell, but super yummy, super amazing. I highly recommend it. You can make yourself some pina coladas in the summer, sit out by the water. Yum. So thanks so much for watching my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button.